Audible, no? If I keep, is it enough? I'll keep my, is it enough? Hello? It's not fitting. Okay, okay. See waiting room. Now enter full screen. Participants. Admit all. Okay, minimize it, I'll take. Hi, everybody. Can you see me, children? Good morning.
Good morning.
Hello.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Hello.
Hello. Anna Binu, how are you? Can't hear your voice properly.
Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning. Can you hear me? Am I audible?
Yes.
Okay. Renan, Aaron, how are you all? Fine.
Fine.
Doing well. See, I'm your teacher.
Okay.
Start
Okay, ma'am.
with? Okay. Ashir. So let me check who all have joined. Gopika Shankar, Vaseem. You had a class session before, no? With Dixon ma'am, 7C students. Is it right? Am I right? You had a session with Dixon ma'am, science. Hope this is not your first class, isn't it? Hello. Hello. Hi.
Yes.
I can't hear you. Okay.
Hello.
Hello. This is, you had a class already, no? See, don't name it like this. Rename your, it's R5. Who is this? Switch on your camera, all of you. Switch on your videos. Switch on your videos. Mute your speakers. Mute your speakers. And when I ask you questions, you can unmute and enter. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Mute all your videos, mute all your speakers and unmute all videos. I want to see all faces of all. Clear? See, speaker, you switch off your speaker. Mute your speaker. And whatever you do there, I can see, and whatever you speak there also, I can hear. Okay? Clear? Okay. So, good. 25 people came. Okay, my dear children, Nakul PS7C, please switch on your camera, your video. I want to see your face. Okay, hi. Welcome. Welcome all of you. So let me start with let us start with our class. I think one more person.
Disline
Okay. Okay, good morning, children. Hope you all are fine. I'm going to start with my classes. I'm teaching mathematics for you. You all know me. I think only Gopika Shankar. I think you are new admission, right? Yes. Welcome to our class. Where were you? Which school?
Ma'am, I was studying in UAE.
Okay. So welcome to our batch. So just mute your audio, and when I ask you some questions, you can answer me. Okay, unmute it and answer me. Okay, so let me start with my classes. Hope all of you have joined. Again, 2 people are waiting. Good. Okay. So children, I'm going to start with the new chapter. It is chapter 5, lines and angles. Before that, let me speak something about the whole chapters which you have. You have studied many things in mathematics in 6th standard. 7th standard is only a continuation of that. Clear? 7th standard is only a continuation of that. So I'll be starting with the previous knowledge and then come to our 7th standard portion. Clear? So in last year, we have studied what is geometry, and I think I have explained the origin of geometry. Clear? Can anybody answer my question? Yes or no? Please unmute your audio and can you answer me? What is geometry? Anything? You know about geometry? Geometry is the study of what? Anybody please answer me? Hmm? Renan, can you answer my question? Just unmute it. Speaker, you unmute.
Ma'am, I don't know.
Geometry. What is geometry? Have you studied shapes? Shapes? Triangle, rectangle?
Yes, ma'am.
All those
Yes, ma'am.
things? It is the study of shapes. So let us go. Let us go for a search of what is geometry, what is the origin of geometry. So I'm going to show you a video of what is geometry. Okay. So let's watch the video. My dear children, is the video visible to you?
No.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
It's not audible,
No,
but
ma'am.
you can see it, right?
No.
No,
You
ma'am.
cannot see. You cannot see. Okay. Share pass this share screen. Share screen. Now you can see the video, right?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, but I think audio is not clear. You can see the video, but audio is not visible. Sorry, audio you cannot hear, right? Okay, let me explain. If you see, geometry is present everywhere, and if you are starting from one point and you see you are walking through this line, you are coming down, and you're just coming back to the same place where you are reaching. Okay, so you can see the place. What is the root traced? Is it forming a rectangle? Yes, it's forming a rectangle. This is one example of geometry in our real life. You can see geometry in everywhere in the world. See this is the photo of a sunflower seed. See the spiral arrangement in that? You can see the spiral arrangement, no? And this represents one form of geometry. And see the spiral galaxies are there. Spiral galaxies are there. Again, it's another form of geometry again. So right from the sunflower seed to the spiral galaxies, geometry is present. And geometry in your daily life, everywhere it is present. Okay. So let us watch what is geometry. From ancient time, all the people were aware of some rules and regulations of geometry. Okay, so ancient Egypt, it originated. In ancient Egypt, what was the problem? Means every year, the river Nile used to be flooded. Okay, river Nile will be flooded every year, and the farmlands, there are some boundaries for the farmlands. Here also you can see, no, farmlands will be having some boundaries. All the boundaries will be washed away. All the boundaries will be washed away in the flood. And the farmers were in trouble after the flood. What they did, what they had to do, again they have to measure the land and redistribute the land. So what they made some rules and regulations. They made some rules and regulations for doing it. And always again in Indus Valley civilization, also people were aware of these rules and regulations of geometry. You can see many, you have seen many buildings, no? All this represented different shapes of geometry, right? So now what is the definition of geometry? Before going for that, we can say that geo means earth and metron means measurement. What is geometry? Measurement of earth. So this was the story behind it. From there originated the necessity of measuring land, and that was the origin of geometry. You can see geometry everywhere. Okay.
Excuse me.
You can't hear me? Okay, let me complete.
Excuse me, ma'am.
And mathematician called Euclid. He was a Greek mathematician, and he incorporated all the rules which were available there in a book called Elements, and he laid down some rules and regulations. And this book contains some definitions, axioms, postulates, proofs and all, which you will be studying in 9th standard. Now we'll go only for definitions, okay? We'll go only for definitions. Okay. Hello? Hello? Hello, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Adi Lakshmi, please answer me. Was the video audible to you?
It was partially, like, I didn't see the...
No, I'm asking, you were able to hear me,
Yes.
no? Hear me speaking, no?
Yeah.
Did you understand what I told?
Yes. Yes.
Huh? Yes?
Yeah, ma'am, but some
No, ma'am,
disturbance
I didn't hear that.
problem.
You didn't hear the audio. You couldn't hear anything?
No, not
No,
anything. Like, half of the video, I heard half of the audio, but it was not completely. I didn't hear completely.
Okay, so Hiba Fatima,
Yes, ma'am.
who was the Greek mathematician who laid down the book? Do you remember?
Ma'am, I know the answer.
Who was it?
Ma'am, I know the answer.
Yes, Adi Lakshmi, please answer my question. Excuse me?
Euclid.
Euclid. Correct. Correct answer. Good.
Thank
Okay.
you, ma'am.
Okay, Hiba. Hiba, can you answer? What was the name of the book? What was the name of the book? No. Obika Shankar, can you unmute yourself and answer my question? Did you
Ma'am, the
hear
name
my
of the book-
audio?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
The
Do you
name of the book was
remember?
Elements. Yes.
Elements. Very good, very good, very good. Okay. So, did you understand the story behind geometry?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, Renan. Anna Binu. Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, did you understand the story behind what is geometry?
Yes.
How it originated? Now, today we are going to study about the definitions in geometry. You need not by heart it, but you have to understand. So let me share my screen with you. I'm going to ask you some questions again, so you can answer me. Easy board, easy board. Share screen. No, share screen I have to do. Can you see the board, children?
No. No.
Board on the screen.
No, ma'am.
No. No, ma'am. No.
No, ma'am.
No, you haven't shared the screen.
Share screen share. Share the screen. I have shared the screen, but okay. Now is it? Now can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
No.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we are going to start with the chapter 5, lines and angles. Okay, we are going to start with the chapter lines and angles.
Ma'am, I cannot see.
You can't see. See the board?
No. I see the board.
We can't see the board. They can't see the board. Hello, Adi Lakshmi. Can you see my board? I'm sharing the screen with you.
Yeah, I can see that.
Okay. Okay. So just see, we are going to start with chapter 5. It is lines and angles. Later on, I'll show the PowerPoint presentation. Before that, I have to explain you using the board. Okay. After that, I'll be asking you the questions. So lines and angles. I am going to draw some figures. You have to recognize it. Okay. Let me see whether you remember all those things.
Acceleration can be upper times only. If acceleration is constant, the equation of acceleration can be reversed. Acceleration is equal to change in velocity divided by total time. If acceleration is constant, the acceleration is equal to change in velocity divided by total time.
Now I have drawn something. I'm going to mark it. Some parents are talking in between. Please stop it. It's a disturbance. Then again, I'm going to draw. Please stop. Anybody is on the TV or something? Sound is a disturbance for me. Please ask to switch off.
Velocity of change in velocity as unit meter per second. Unit of time is meter per second by second. That is meters per second. Unit of acceleration is meter per second. So now dimensions of accelerations. Dimensions of velocities. Distance by time. So L divided to minus. Divided by time. So its dimension is also. Dimensions of accelerations.
Okay. what is this? I have drawn a figure. What is this? Can you answer my question?
Line.
Is it
Line
a
segment.
line or not? Is it a line?
Yes.
My question. Anybody? Please.
Yes,
Huh?
ma'am. It is a line.
Last year you have studied all this. So let me ask a question. Just answer me. What is it? Is it a line or line segment?
Line segment.
Good. Line segment. Why we say it's a line? What is the difference between a line and a line segment? What is the difference between a line and a line segment? Anybody speak out? You know? Everybody know? What is the difference between a line and a line segment?
I can't hear you properly.
Huh?
Ma'am's voice is breaking.
Voice is breaking.
Yes.
I can't hear you, ma'am.
Hello?
Ma'am, I
Now?
can't hear you properly.
Now am I audible?
Ma'am, sound is breaking and going.
Ma'am, some
Hello, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello?
Hello, ma'am.
Hello? Any parents?
Ma'am's
Please?
voice is
No, some
breaking.
voice is breaking. It's a
Ma'am, I can't hear
disturbance.
you.
Okay, so let me draw another line.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is a line segment. What is the difference between a line and a line segment?
Ma'am, I can't hear you.
Ma'am, I can't hear you.
Because of some disturbance.
Ma'am, I can't hear you properly.
Okay. Anybody will be waiting in the waiting room? Yes.
I can't hear you properly.
Now, can they unmute and come out? If you mute all. Okay, okay, okay. Okay. Now, is there any disturbance? No. Okay. So again.
Hello, ma'am. I
Hello.
think so.
You can see me, you can hear me?
There is no range in our place.
Okay, maybe because of that. Okay.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes. Now, let me draw another figure. Can you recognize it? And you tell me, what is the difference? Okay.
Ma'am, it's very horrible.
Okay. Now, can you tell me what is this?
Line.
Ma'am, it's a line.
It's a line. So, can you differentiate between line and line segment?
Yeah.
What is it? What is it?
Ma'am, line segment has two endpoints. It has
Line
a
segment
fixed
have
length.
two endpoints, isn't it? If I draw a line and if I mark it two endpoints like this, it will become a
Line segment.
line segment. It will become a line segment, and you can mark a line segment like this. And a line, what is the difference? Line
There is no
extends in
endpoint.
both directions, isn't it? Line extends in both directions. So you are studying this from standard 4 onwards. Okay, so you are studying this from standard 4 onwards. So line is extending to both sides. Line segment means it has two endpoints. Now, I'll show you another figure. You have to recognize it. Okay. So again, now I'm going to draw another one. Okay. Now, what is it?
The ray.
It's a ray. Who is answering? Please tell me your name.
Gopika. Gopika Shankar.
Gopika Shankar. Okay, okay, good, correct. So this is called a ray. Can you tell me the peculiarities of a ray? What is the special character of a ray? What is it? What is the difference between a line and a ray?
Ma'am,
What's
a
the
ray
difference
has
between
one.
Yes.
Ma'am,
tell me.
it has one endpoint and the other end is not definite. It's endless.
Very good, very good. So a ray have only one end point, isn't it? A ray have only one end point and it extends indefinitely in the other direction, isn't it? So what is a line?
Okay, ma'am.
Line means it can extend in both the directions. And line segment means it has two endpoints. Line does not have a endpoint, but a line segment have two endpoints. And a ray have only one endpoint. It will be extending to the other direction indefinitely. So is it clear, my dear children? Is it clear?
Yes.
What is a ray? What is a line?
Yes,
Line
ma'am.
segment, ray. This is only a revision of what you have studied in standard 6. Okay. Okay. Thank you. So let us go to the next topic.
Changing velocity into two places are same. One. But that diameters are different. Therefore, accelerations are different. That is the definition of non-uniform acceleration. Okay. Today we discussed about the speed, velocity, and the acceleration. Acceleration is the question I discussed by the yesterday.
Next one. It is
Velocity, acceleration, speed, acceleration. So the thing is it's very important for lecture. So let's go to the areas. And we can do questions based on this methodology. So we can practice self-study. We are not self-study. Self-study
yes. I'm going to draw another figure. You have to recognize it. What is it? Okay. Okay. What can you say about this? Can you Define what is it? Everything you have studied. Okay. What can you say? Huh?
An acute angle.
Who is answering? Who is answering?
Aisha.
May I know?
Aisha.
Oh, okay, Aisha. Aisha, tell me what is this?
Acute angle.
Okay, acute angle. Before that, let me ask you, what is it? It's an angle. Okay, everybody know it is an angle. How is an angle formed? How is an angle formed? See, this line is intersecting with this this line, isn't it? When two lines meet together, an angle is formed, right? Can you agree with? When two, five,
Yeah.
see, one line is drawn like this, another line is drawn like this, line, not line segment. So I am just drawing freehand. Okay, here one angle is there, and here also another angle is there, and here also one angle is formed. Here also angle 1, 2, 3, 4. Isn't it? You have studied all these things.
It's acute angle.
Yes. So now we'll come back to that and all, acute angle and all. So you can understand that when two lines meet together, an angle is formed. Here, when these two lines meet together, you can see 4 angles are formed, isn't it? So when two lines meet together, an angle is formed. Okay. And what is the another way of forming an angle? Another method of forming an angle. Can anybody say? Another method of forming an angle?
And when two rays meet each other.
Two lines meet each other. A race means it has a common end point. Okay, two rays also meet each other. You can form another way. Can you rotate something? Rotate a line. Rotate a ray. You can rotate a ray, and you can form a. You can rotate a line. Oh, sorry, a ray. You can rotate a ray, and you can form an angle. I'll show you. Look at this. Now I'm going to rotate the ray and form an angle. So suppose this is the end point of the ray, and I'm going to, this is the original point, okay? So I'm just rotating it. I'm just rotating the ray, and you can see, sorry. Okay. I'm just going to rotate the ray. Okay. I'll just rotate the ray, and see, an angle is formed, right? You can put an arrow mark here.
Yes.
From where was the initial position? This was the initial position of the ray, initial point. And I rotated the ray and I formed an angle, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So did you understand? By rotating a ray also, you can form an angle. Okay. Correct. So what all things we studied now?
And we
What all
studied,
things?
we studied a line segment, a ray,
Come back.
an angle.
Come back. What all things we studied just now?
And we studied about what is a line segment,
I'll call you, I'll
a
call you.
ray, and an
Who is
angle.
answering now? May I know who is
Gopika.
answering? Okay.
I'm Gopika Shankar.
Gopika Shankar. Okay, okay. What all things, what all we studied now?
A line segment,
Okay.
a line, a ray, and an
Okay.
angle.
Okay,
And how
good.
to form an angle.
How to form an angle? Two ways, isn't it? Two ways to form an angle. One is just when lines meet together or intersect, an angle is formed. And another method is by rotating a ray also, you can form an angle. Okay, okay. Now, I'm asking Shreya as Menu. I saw somebody not switched on their camera. Please switch on your camera. I want, sorry, video. I want to see your face. Yes, Gopika, please answer my question. What is a line? What did you understand? What is
Good
the
morning,
peculiarity of a
Sangeeta.
line?
Good morning.
Good morning, sir. Good morning. Are you
Yes.
waiting? Did you join, sir?
Yeah, I joined.
Okay,
6C.
sir. Good morning. Good morning, sir.
6C, no?
7C. Now
Seven.
7C.
Yes.
Last year 6C.
7C.
Present batch.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Welcome, sir.
Thank you.
Oh, okay.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Okay. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Aisha, please answer my question. What all things you studied till now?
Line segment,
Okay,
line,
line segment,
ray,
ray. Then two methods to form a ray, isn't it? Okay. So let us see the definition of a line segment, ray, etc. I'm going to share the screen. Chapter 5, lines and angles. What's the chapter name? Chapter name is lines and angles. So I have given previous knowledge about the basic things of the chapter. Okay, so next slide.
Lines and angles.
Just see the definition of lines and angles. What is a line? Lines, it's a line, okay. In geometry, a line can be defined as a straight, one-dimensional figure that has no thickness and extends endlessly in both directions, okay. See, what is a line? Not lines are not there, line only. Line in geometry, we can say the definition in geometry is this: a line can be defined as a straight, one-dimensional. Why is it known as one-dimensional? One-dimensional means it has only one dimension. What are the dimensions you study in a rectangle? Length and breadth is there, no? Is there any breadth for this line? No. So we say that it's only one-dimensional. It has got only length. There is no thickness for the figure. So we call it one-dimensional figure. Okay. In geometry, a line can be defined as a straight one-dimensional figure, one-dimensional figure that has no thickness and extends endlessly in both directions. Okay. Now we can watch the next slide. Next slide. Line is, how are you going to denote this?
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I can't see the slides.
Ma'am, I can't see the slide.
Yeah, I can't see.
Is it? It is. I am sharing the screen with you.
No, ma'am, you
Oh,
haven't
ma'am, I
taken
can't see.
you haven't taken the,
Yes.
ma'am, you haven't taken it.
Ma'am,
You can't see the slides which I am explaining.
No,
no,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, let me
No,
check.
ma'am.
Am I sharing the screen? No, that is okay, no? Now can you see, is it visible?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Yeah? No.
No, ma'am. You haven't showed anything. No, ma'am. No, ma'am. I cannot see anything.
I can't see that.
Ma'am, I can't see and you haven't showed.
Okay.
I can't see anything.
Now can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Huh?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So, first chapter, lines and angles, where we stop. So, till now you have not seen my, seen this PDF?
No.
Okay, now can you see, all of you?
ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Now then, anybody can see, it's not my fault. Okay. So, line can be denoted by small letter. I have shared the screen, you'd have seen it. Okay, a line is denoted by small letters L, M, N, etc. And you can denote the line as by putting 2 points below, 2 points A and B, and you can denote in this way also a line. Okay, this shows it is extending to both the sides. Now next, it is line segment. What is a line segment? A line segment can be explained as a part of a line. That is another definition for a line segment. It's a part of a line. It's a part of a line. Line segment is a part of a line that you can put 2 points AB, and you can write it as line segment AB or AB with a mark on its top. This is the method of denoting a line segment. Now next video, so line segment. Now next is a ray. Ray is a part of a line. It's also a part of a line. A ray is a part of a line that has fixed starting point and it has no end point. There is no end point. Simply a point is put here. It's extending with the arrow mark. Okay. Now it can be extended indefinitely in one direction. Now next. Now angles, we defined what are angles. What is an angle? An angle is formed when lines or line segments meet or intersect. That is the other word for it. What is it? An angle is formed when lines or line segment meet each other, isn't it? I have shown you what is it. Next one, next definition is an angle. Next method, an angle can be formed by rotating a ray. An angle can be formed by a rotating ray also. Okay, next slide. Now we come to the next topic. So all of you understood? Can you hear me?
Yeah, ma'am.
Oh, okay, okay. Yeah, you can see
Yeah,
the
ma'am.
PowerPoint shown over the screen, no? You can see
Yeah.
it. Oh,
Yeah, ma'am.
okay, good, okay, good. So after this, I'll be asking questions, okay? You have to answer my questions. So pay attention, and if possible, you can write down what you hear. Okay, what you hear, you just write down in a note. Make a practice of writing notes while I'm taking class. Then when I ask you the questions, you can answer my questions. Okay, related angles. Now you understood what is a line, what is a line segment, what is a ray, and what are angles, how are angles formed. Now let us go for, and you know, we'll discuss later about the different types of angles. All of you know what are the different types of angles. Last year we have studied, isn't it? May I ask, yes, where is Renan? Answer my question. You didn't answer any of my questions. Okay. What are the, can you say the different types of angles? Renan?
Yes,
Tell me what are different types of angles?
acute angle,
Very good. Acute angle.
right angle,
Right angle. Good.
obtuse angle,
Obtuse angle. Very good. Very good. Okay.
straight angle,
Straight angle. Straight angle. Okay. Straight angle. Good.
complete angle.
Complete angle. Very good. Very good. Okay. Good. Now we'll come back to that later. Okay. So now related angles. Related angles means there is a relation between two angles. What is that? One set of angles, we call them complementary angles. What is it called? Complementary angles. When we add the measures of two angles, if we get 90 degree, the angles are called complementary angles. And we say one angle is the complement of the other angle. Okay, what is it? Two angles are called complementary angle. When we add their measures, we should get 90 degree. Okay, so the definition is this: when the sum of measures of two angles is 90 degree, the angles are called complementary angles. You just see the figures over here.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
The screen.
Hello.
Hello, ma'am.
You can see my screen, no? You can see the screen, no?
I can't see the screen.
Why?
Sangeeta, the
No,
screen
ma'am.
is not
It is
visible.
just showing Studio Room 5 has started screen sharing.
Screen is not visible. Screen
So
is not visible.
till now the screen was not visible?
No, no, no. I cannot see the screen.
Ma'am, it's visible.
Yes, ma'am. Now it is okay.
Now it is okay. Sir, is it okay?
I can't see.
Yes, ma'am. It is okay
I
now.
think all cannot see.
I don't know.
I can see, ma'am.
Huh?
I can see the screen.
It's visible for me.
And it's also visible.
Maybe because of the range or something, sir. Many are saying it is visible for them.
I don't know.
Yeah, ma'am, I can.
Is it visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
But it is, I have given screen sharing, sir. I have given share the screen. And it is visible, they are saying. Maybe because of...
Yes, ma'am, I can see.
You can see? Okay.
How many cannot see? Yes,
How many
sir.
cannot see? Just put up. Okay. So let me continue with my class. I think
Carry on, carry on.
Sir?
Carry on with the class.
Okay. See, many are answering that they can see the screen, sir. They can see. Okay.
Maybe in some angle it is.
Yeah, it is little bit faded somewhere. Okay, so just see the angles given over here. Okay, one is a 60-degree angle and the other one is a 30-degree angle. Okay, one is a 60-degree angle, the other one is a 30-degree angle.
30 angle.
30-degree angle. Okay, what can you say? Sum up both. Are you getting 90-degree?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? No, 60 plus 30, it is 90, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So, we say that angle ABC and angle PQR are complementary angles. Clear? We say that angle ABC and angle PQR are complementary angles. Why we say they are complementary angles? Tell me.
Because the sum is 90.
No. Adilakshmi, can you answer my question?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Because
Why
both
these angles?
Hello,
Why
ma'am.
these
Every
angles
time
are
it
called?
is
Are called
going and coming.
I'm not.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello. I think it is.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello, Hiba. Hello. Tell me the answer. Why they are known as complementary angles? Hello.
ma'am,
Why they are called complementary angles?
ABC and angle
ABC, angle ABC and angle PQR together, when we add them, we get 90-degree angle, isn't it? So what about the next figure? Can you see this figure right side, which I have shown? 67-degree angle and a 23-degree angle. 67 plus 23. What is it? 90. So we can say that angle PQR, POQ it is written, and ABC are complementary angles. And I can say like this also, angle ABC is a complement of angle POQ. Angle ABC
Hello,
is
ma'am.
a, hello?
Ma'am, the online class is going and coming in my phone.
Maybe some range problem will be there. Is it like that to everybody?
no, ma'am.
Ma'am, that's why I can't hear anything. That time itself it will go.
Just check the connectivity problem. Okay. Maybe because of that, because others it is audible and also some are late. I have to admit. Okay. So one can be said as a complement of the other. ABC, angle ABC is a complement to angle POQ. Complementary angles. We say that they both are complementary angles. Why we say they are complementary angles? Because when we add, we are getting 90 degree. Now I'm going to ask some questions. Be ready. I'm going to ask some questions. Okay. Can two acute angles be congruent to each other? You know what are acute angles? Acute angles means, what are acute angles?
Angles less than 90 degree.
Good. Angles less than 90 degree are
90 degree.
So my question is, first question, can two acute angles be congruent to each other? Think and answer my question. Can two acute angles be congruent to each other? What is meant by complement? Sorry, not congruent, there is a correction. It is complement to each other. See the second question. Acute angles be not congruent, it is complement. Can it be complement to each other? Two acute angles?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Think and answer. Yes, one of you. I want, yeah. Gautam Krishna, answer my question. Please unmute your audio and answer my question. Can two acute angles be complement to each other? Hi, sir. Gautam Krishna, acute angles. Think and answer my question. You have not, it is in mute form, or unmute it and answer it. One red button you can see, no? Red button, click there and answer me. Yeah. Gautam Krishna disappeared. No. Shreya S. Menon, I can see from here. Just unmute yourself and answer my question. Acute angles means what is acute angle? Less than, yes? Acute angles are less than 90 degree. Can they form complementary angles? Both are less than 90 degree, right? Yes, go Biga. I can see you all. Hi. Okay, hi. Answer my question. You think both are less than 90 degree. Okay, two angles. Both are less than 90 degree. Can they be complement to each other?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, because both are less than 90 degree. If you add, it can be complementary. Complement to
90 degree.
Okay. Now, can you see? Okay. Can you see the screen? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Second question. Come to the second question. Can two obtuse angle be complement to each other? Can two obtuse angle be complement to each other?
No.
No, ma'am.
Who is answering? Who is answering? If I...
Asher.
Very good. Asher, how are you?
Fine.
Okay. So answer my question. Can two obtuse angle be complement to each other? Obtuse angles, what is the meaning? What is
No, ma'am.
what is the explanation? What is it? What is obtuse angle?
Big obtuse angle bigger than 90 degree.
Okay, correct. So whichever angle is greater than 90 degree, we can call between 90 and 180. We can call it an obtuse angle, isn't it? So can two obtuse angle form can be complementary to complement to each other?
No.
No, because one angle itself will be greater than
Bigger.
90 degree. Then how can both form a complementary angle? Isn't it? So
Yes.
no is the answer. Then next one, can two right angles be complement to each other?
No.
Right angles can be complementary to each other.
No.
Karthik Vinod, whom I am calling have to answer. Okay.
No, ma'am.
What's the answer? No. Why?
Because it's 90 degree.
One itself is 90 degree, isn't it?
90 degree.
One angle itself is
Yes.
90 degree. Then how can two 90 degrees together form complementary angles? Isn't it?
Yes.
Okay, good. So, okay, thank you. Sir, hello.
Okay, finished.
Okay, sir.
Meeting is finished.
No, sir, it's 1 hour class for me.
Not yet over.
Not yet over. Myself.
12 o'clock.
Till 12.
10 minutes more.
10 minutes. Okay, then find, okay, can two right angles, it cannot be, two right angles cannot be complementary to each other. Okay, thank you. Now let us pass on to the next. I'll be giving you the, it's now also some are coming and asking me. Stop share. Okay, hello. Hello, how are you all?
Fine.
Did you understand what I taught? I have taught?
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes.
So what are the, Gopika, Parvati, and three of you are sitting. I can see you. Hi. Tell me, Parvati, tell me, what all things we studied now in this class?
Ray, line segment,
Line segment,
angles,
angles,
complement,
Complementary angles. Then
How can we?
okay, tell me what is a complementary angle? Can you tell me what are complementary angles? Definition?
When we add two angles, the measurement should be 90 degree.
90 degree. Good, good. Then, okay, let me ask Wasim. Come up. What is a line? How can you, what is the difference between a line and a line segment?
Line segment has two ending points.
Good, good, good. Line segment has two endpoints. And a line? Line have endpoints?
No.
No. It is extending in both the directions, isn't it? Okay, good. Now, Aisha, answer my question.
Yes, ma'am.
What is an angle? How an angle can be formed? How an angle can be formed? Two methods I told. One is by Shreya. Answer. How to form two angles? When does an angle form? Two methods I explained, no? Nazreen?
By rotating.
Good, good. By rotating?
And forming two line segments.
By rotating a ray, we can form an angle. And also, when two line segments meet together, an angle is formed. Okay, two ways of forming an angle. Okay. So, Nazreen, explain what are complementary angles? What are complementary angles?
Hello, ma'am.
Hello. Am I audible?
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am.
Tell me, what are complementary angles? When do we say two angles are complement to each other? Be attentive in the class and make note of what I'm saying, okay?
Yeah, ma'am.
Tell me. Tell me, what are complementary angles? Till now I was explaining. When do we say two angles are complement to each other? Nobody? Let me call. Yes, Nakul, PS, come out. Where? What are you doing? I can see you from here. Come on. When do we say yes?
When two angles are between 90 degree angle.
Oh, no, that's not the answer. When do we say two angles
when two
are
angles are
complement to
below
each other?
90 degree.
Yes. When two angles. Yes, Gopika Shankar, can you answer my question?
When the sum of two angles are 90 degree.
Okay, when the sum of two angles are 90 degree, we can say each one is complement to, the one is complement to other. Okay, so let us have a slideshow once more to get a recap of what we have studied today. The homeworks, I'll be giving homeworks and also the notes through your WhatsApp and also in the website. Okay, you can take it. No need to write down the notes from the class. It takes away all time. I'll be giving you the notes, but you have to write by yourself. You have to study yourself. Okay. Okay. So I'll be giving the homework also. Now let us share the screen. Children.
Ma'am.
Yes, I'm.
Where should I write the homework's answers?
So no, what you have to do is you have to keep take as usual. You have to take the papers and start chapter 5. Write the heading, then start the homework. You can write the notes which I am giving. It will be given in WhatsApp and also published in the website. And you can write the notes and also the homework you have to do. I'll give a form where you can write the notes and the homework together. Okay. In that way you have to write. Today I'll send it to you.
Ma'am,
Yes.
can I use outside paper? Is that compulsory to use?
No. You write in your own way. No problem. Outside paper also is possible. No
Thank
problem.
you.
Okay. So let us, can you, I'm sharing my screen. Can you see?
Yeah, ma'am.
Eh?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yeah, ma'am.
Now let us
Yes,
once more
ma'am.
come back to what we have studied today. First, we started with, okay, this is my first class, okay, first online class. So we started with chapter 5, lines and angles. Chapter 5, lines and angles. What is a line? In geometry, a line can be defined as a straight one-dimensional figure that has no thickness and in geometry, a line can be defined as a straight one-dimensional figure that has no thickness and extends endlessly in both directions. Next one, the line. Line can be denoted using small letters L, M, N. And you can denote in another way also. Take 2 points A, B, and you can denote it like this, line AB. Now, next one, line segment. A line segment is a part of a line. It can be denoted as line segment AB. Then next is ray. Ray is a part of a line that has a fixed starting point but no end point. It can be extended indefinitely in one direction. It can be extended indefinitely in one direction. Now, angles. An angle is formed when the lines or line segments meet. An angle is formed by rotating a ray also. Next one, related angles. First one we studied is complementary angles. Complementary angles. When the sum of measures of two angles is 90 degrees, the angles are called complementary angles. Now you can have given two complementary angles. It's a quick revision of what you have studied. And we had some questions. Now, we'll come back again. One more slide I have to show. Quit your time? Over? Okay. Okay then. So we'll meet you later. Its time is over. Okay. Okay, bye children. I'll give you the homeworks today itself.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, thank you. So we'll meet you, I'll meet you next day. Okay, bye. Okay, thank you.